If your lawn looks patchy, dry, or uneven, the right sprinkler system can turn it into a lush, green, and healthy garden. The problem is that hand watering is time-consuming, and cheap sprinklers often spray too little or too much. That's why in this video, I'm going over the 8 best lawn sprinklers for perfect grass. These sprinklers are designed to water your yard evenly, save water, and make your lawn care routine way easier. Whether you have a small backyard or a big yard to cover, here's a great sprinkler for you. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these lawn sprinklers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Hunter PGPA DJ Pop-Up Rotor. This is the most budget-friendly pop-up rotor sprinkler on our list. If you want solid coverage but don't want to overspend, then this one gets the job done without going overboard. You can adjust the spray arc from 40 degrees to a full 360. So it works whether you're watering a corner, a strip along the driveway, or a full circle of grass. It has a spray distance from about 22 to 52 feet, which is plenty for medium to large lawn zones. That means fewer heads in the ground and less money spent overall. It has a gear-driven system inside that runs smooth and quiet, and it's water lubricated, so it holds up well over time. The head pops up 4 inches when it's running, clears the grass, then drops back down clean when it's done. It also comes with 8 standard blue nozzles, so you can swap them out to fine-tune how far the water goes instead of wasting it. Here's what Pat wrote. This is pretty much the best rotary sprinkler that you can get. It will last many years with very little maintenance. So if you want a pop-up rotor that does the job well and keeps costs low, the Hunter PGPA DJ is a budget-friendly choice you won't regret. Number 7 is the Orbit Heavy Duty Tripod Sprinkler. This is the best tripod sprinkler for large lawns on our list. Now this one's made for wide open spaces, so wide you'd probably think no regular sprinkler could reach that far. The sprinkler head is solid brass and it sits on a metal tripod that adjusts from about 22 inches up to 48 inches tall. That extra height helps the water travel farther and clear grass or small plants. It can rotate up to 360 degrees, so you can water a full circle or limit it to left and right, depending on what your yard needs. It's an impact-style sprinkler, which means it throws water far. Orbit rates it for a reach of up to about an 85-foot diameter, so it's great for large lawns. You can also adjust the throw distance by turning a simple screw, which lets you water closer areas without blasting water past the fence. So if you need strong coverage for a big lawn and want something tall and easy to control, the Orbit Heavy Duty Tripod Sprinkler is a smart pick for large yards. Number 6 is the K-Rain Super Pro Sprinkler Head. This is the best professional grade sprinkler head on our list. This one's made to last and stay accurate over time. You can set the spray arc from 40 degrees to a full 360. The top markings are clear, so you don't have to guess. And if someone bumps or forces the head by accident, the arc memory clutch snaps it back to its original setting, so nothing inside gets messed up. It has a solid pop-up riser and a standard 3/4 inch inlet, so it fits most residential systems without extra parts. Water distance ranges from about 28 to 49 feet, depending on the nozzle you use. And it comes with a full nozzle set, so you can dial in coverage instead of overwatering. You're also going to have a flow shutoff. That means you can turn off just one sprinkler while the system is running, which is great for small fixes or watering only certain areas. Deanna puts it as, I have several of these K-Rain sprinkler heads on my irrigation system and they have held up very well. Excellent range and coverage, easy to adjust, and durable. I had to replace one head that may have been damaged during the fall blowout process, but the replacement process was a 15-minute job. Not difficult at all, and several YouTube videos out there to assist. So if you want a sprinkler head that's easy to adjust and stays reliable season after season, the K-Rain Super Pro is a solid choice. Number 5 is the Rainbird 5000 series rotor sprinklers. This is the most reliable residential rotor sprinkler on our list. This lawn sprinkler is for you if you can't water your lawn every week. It's a full circle rotor, so it spins a full 360 degrees, and you can dial back the distance by up to 25% with a simple adjustment screw. That means if your yard isn't perfect or square, you're not stuck wasting water. The slip clutch makes setup smoother too, so you can line it up without fighting it during install. It pops up 4 inches, then drops back down clean when it's done. Plus, there's a heavy-duty spring inside that helps it retract every time, which matters after years of use. On top, you're gonna have rain curtain nozzles that spread water more evenly instead of blasting it out in one harsh stream. Plus, it also has a flow shutoff. You can turn off a single head without shutting down the whole system, which is great if you're focusing on one dry spot. And a pressure-activated wiper seal that keeps dirt and sand out, so it doesn't clog up over time. So if you want a sprinkler that's dependable, adjustable, and built to last through hot summers, the Rainbird 5000 series is a great pick for residential lawns. And if you want to know the latest prices for the lawn sprinklers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Toro Rapid Set Sprinklers. This is the best easy adjust sprinkler set on our list. This lawn sprinkler is very simple to use. The spray arc is adjustable from 40 degrees all the way to a full 360 by twisting the top. This one is a gear-driven rotor, and the spray moves smoothly instead of blasting water everywhere. It pops up 5 inches when it's running, which helps clear taller grass, then drops back down when it's done, so it stays out of sight. And comes loaded out of the box. You're gonna have a factory-installed 3.0 gallons per minute nozzle, a full set of 8 standard nozzles, and 4 low-angle nozzles. That means you can fine-tune how far and how high the water sprays, whether you're dealing with open lawn or tighter spots near sidewalks. It also has a check valve, which helps stop water from draining out when the system shuts off. That means less puddling and less wasted water. And it fits a standard 3/4 inch inlet and has a solid, durable body that feels made to last. So if you want a sprinkler that's quick to adjust and doesn't turn lawn care into a chore, the Toro Rapid Set sprinklers are an easy choice. Number 3 is the Gardena Oscillating Sprinkler Zoom Max. This is the best sprinkler for coverage and customization on our list. It covers up to 2,300 square feet, which is perfect for tighter spaces. And thanks to the rubber nozzles, water spreads evenly without wasting a drop. You can fine-tune it too. It has 3 adjustment sliders for changing the watering range, a flow controller to tweak the water pressure, and even controls for oscillation width and length. And as for the durability, it is solid too. The weighted base keeps it steady, and the German-made materials are UV resistant and frost-proof, and the sealed turbo gear ensures smooth, reliable operation. There's also a removable, rust-free filter that keeps dirt out and is easy to clean if you have hard water. Now, the setup is painless with the Gardena Quick Connector system. You can snap it to your hose and start watering right away. So if you want a sprinkler that lets you customize every drop and works perfectly in small to medium spaces, the Gardena Zoom Max is your go-to choice. Number 2 is the Melnor XT 45100. This is the best value lawn sprinkler on our list. If you've ever tried watering a yard and ended up with soggy and dry spots here and there, this one might change it. It comes with 20 precision nozzles that can cover up to 4,500 square feet, which is enough for most yards or garden spaces. It has twin touch controls. You can adjust both the width and the range of the spray, so whether it's a tiny flower bed or a big lawn, it's covered. Plus, the zoom control lets you fine-tune the watering area, so new grass or large sections get exactly the right amount of water. It even has watering width indicators, which help you set and remember your favorite settings. So if you want a lawn sprinkler that's reliable and won't make you empty your wallet, the Melnor X T45100 is your go-to choice. Number 1 is the Melnor XT4 5200M. This is the best overall lawn sprinkler on our list. This lawn sprinkler has 20 precision nozzles that spread water evenly and can cover up to 4,500 square feet, which is plenty for most yards. Plus, it's adjustable. You're gonna have a zoom control so you can water a tiny patch of new grass or open it up wide for a big section of lawn. You can also adjust the spray width and direction, which is perfect if you don't want water hitting the driveway or fence. It sits on a solid metal sled base, so it doesn't tip over once the water pressure kicks in. And there's also a dirt-resistant drive, which means it keeps working smoothly even if you're using well water. Setup is simple too, thanks to the quick connect fitting that snaps right onto your hose. Here's what Michael wrote. This Melner lawn sprinkler is perfect for our front yard. I've used this for 2 seasons so far, and it still works like a charm. It's lightweight plastic, so store it away carefully between seasons so it doesn't get stepped on. It comes with timer and easy disconnect so you can turn it on before going to bed and not worry, it will turn itself off. So if you want a lawn sprinkler that's easy to use and reliable without paying premium prices, the Melner X T45200M is an easy pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect lawn sprinkler. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each lawn sprinkler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.